In this video, you'll learn how to set up redirects from HTTP to HTTPS on Bluehost. By the end, anytime someone types your site address with just HTTP or even without specifying it, they'll be automatically sent to the secure HTTPS version of your site. First, let's quickly explain what this actually means. HTTP is the basic way a browser talks to your website, but it isn't encrypted. HTTPS is the secure version that encrypts data between your visitors and your site. This helps protect login details, contact form submissions, and any other information people send through your pages. It's also a trust signal for visitors and something search engines increasingly expect. So forcing HTTPS means you're telling the server, no matter how someone tries to reach my site, always send them to the secure version. Now, let's get into Bluehost and turn this on. Start by signing in to your Bluehost account the same way you normally do. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the main dashboard that lists your websites and hosting tools. From here, go to the websites section. If you have multiple sites on your account, you'll see them listed. Find the website you want to secure with HTTPS. Next to that site, look for the option to manage it. Click Manage to open the management area for that specific website. Inside the website management area, you'll see several tabs or sections. Look for the tab labeled Security. Go ahead and click on Security to open the security settings for this site. Within the Security tab, you're looking for a setting called Force HTTPS. This is usually presented as a simple toggle switch that can be turned on or off. If it's currently off, that means visitors can still access the non-secure HTTP version of your site. To enable automatic redirection, switch the Force HTTPS toggle to the On position. As soon as you do this, Bluehost will configure the server-side redirection for you behind the scenes. You don't need to edit any code, update your .htaccess file, or change URL settings manually. Bluehost's system handles those technical details automatically, so it's a very safe and beginner-friendly way to enforce HTTPS. After turning the toggle on, give it a minute or so for the change to take effect. Then it's a good idea to test that everything is working correctly. Open a new browser tab and type your site address using HTTP at the beginning, or even just the domain without HTTPS. Press enter and watch the address bar. You should see it automatically switch to HTTPS with a small padlock icon indicating a secure connection. If you don't see the padlock, you may want to clear your browser cache or try an incognito or private window to make sure you're not seeing an older cached version of your site. Also, check that your SSL certificate is active in Bluehost since HTTPS requires a valid certificate. Most Bluehost plans include a free SSL and it's usually enabled automatically, but if something looks off, you can revisit the security tab and confirm that SSL is active. That's all there is to it. By turning on Force HTTPS in the security tab for your site, you've told Bluehost to send every visitor to the secure, encrypted version of your website without them needing to think about it. This improves security, builds trust, and helps keep your site up to modern standards with just a single setting.